Okay, Dominance is gonna burp and say uh-oh. I can't believe he knows how to do this at the ripe old age of 3. He didn't do it.
I can't say it. I can't how to do it.
You can't how to do it?
No.
That's not how you say it. I can't figure out how to do it.
I don't figure how to do it.
Okay, let's get some more water and try again.
Yes.
What a good way to make you drink, even though you already like water. What are you doing? Do you want more water? You want to try again? Do you want to try again?
Yes.
Yes? Yes?
Yes, for me.
Okay. Okay, we're going to try again to do the uh-oh burp.
Okay.
That's not where you drink? What are you doing? That one doesn't count. Try again. Don't spill the water. Dominus, you're making a mess.
Man.
I'm the one that has to clean it.
You man.
You know I'm not a man.
Yes, you are.
So what are you?
I'm a lady.
You're silly.
We drink. We lay down.
Are you gonna try it again? Try to burp and say uh-oh. Don't spill it.
I said it.
No, you didn't. I didn't hear you say it.
Yes.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
Alright, well, I guess I'll take that. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Wave and look at the phone.